This guy, skateboard.
With a suit jacket.
Yeah, suit jacket, skating
If you're gonna wear a suit jacket, you clearly carry a tripod.
Yeah. What's up everyone, we're out at Broadbeach tonight doing another shoot for Balto. Got a couple of models tonight.
What's up?
Fallon again. Actually you're both two-time models.
You got called back, I don't know why.
I give everyone a second chance at looking good. We're doing a night shoot tonight, so something a bit different.
Do you like palm trees?
Yeah, I do like palm trees.
It's got it in your Insta bio, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's where I read it from.
Brand deals, bro.
Just shout outs. I'd love a free pair. Just saying.
What's your discount code?
Baltimore.
Baltimore. Alright, another drone clip ready to go. First.
Yeah, I'll fly it.
Yeah, you're up?
Yeah.
He's keen.
Where's the controllers? So if I break it, this is on you, right? Because you gave me permission.
What, the drone? Oh, you're not touching the drone, no.
Oh, I thought that's what I was up for.
I kind of like the one I did with Mick, just the one shoe for like 15 seconds. Damn!
I don't know where you get those shoes. I've got no idea where you get good shoes around this place.
What is it? Is it like a Balto and then you have a website, Facebook and blah blah blah?
Yeah.
All on there. Yeah.
You're pretty solid as well. Yeah. Okay. So what kind of deal's gonna be? Seconds to show us your dance moves. Every time.
Wait, there's not a single scratch in these brand new shoes.
No, just at the top of them. That's sweet. Jashan won't mind. Yeah, I won that dance battle. Definitely.
Yeah, no.
Let's give us a cheeky smile. Yeah.
Oh, that was lucky, yeah. Well, at least we got the 2 clips done.
Oh, dude, cops are coming now. They're walking over.
Yeah. We'll come out from under the lights, though. This is actually a really cool shot, though. Just got the drone down. As I catch it,
no
battery on the phone goes. I don't know what would happen.
And you know how to drive a drone, hey?
Yeah. I got it back safe.
I think Mick's safer than you
I'm
now.
not saying I'm the best at flying drones, but I'm one of them.
Alright guys, shoot's done for tonight. Just about to head home now, and I'm glad I still got my drone with me. Hope you enjoyed, guys. See you in the next one.